Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In this video we will guide you step by step on how to buy the Trump token Trump USDT on Bybit in 2025. Whether you are new to Bybit or just looking for a quick tutorial, I've got you covered. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, one of the main things that you need to do is basically with any platform that exists in the world, you have to actually check whether they are available or not. So here as we check, we have this graph, we have a couple of images, but this doesn't make us sure that it exists on the Bybit platform. So what we usually do is to go here and try to buy the token itself. So let's try to buy the token from Bybit. Go to P2P exchange and then choose one-click buy. So here with the difference between P2P and one-click buy, P2P is basically you're gonna talk to a person and that person is going to sell you one of these tokens that are in here. Normally the ones that you will find in this platform are USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum and USDC rather than the others. So you will not find here usually the tokens that you are looking for, such as Trump. So normally we go through this process, which is first of all either let me just search here for USD. So first of all, you go step by step. What I mean with that is buying USDT first using your credit card, bank account or whatever, and then exchanging or converting that into Trump using so many methods that we're gonna discover together in this video. So first of all, go ahead and choose here the amount that you wanna buy or spend of USD. For example, I'm willing to spend $100, which is gonna give us 95.23 USDT. If we compare it with other platforms, that's pretty low or pretty similar, but yeah, it stays in the same range ratio. Now after we did that, we have to choose the payment method. For payment method, that's completely gonna be changed depending on where you live, your account, where it was created, and different kind of options such as the region and the available payments in your country. So these are the options that I have here are gonna basically just get removed just when I log into my account. Now for now I'm just letting it show just to show you all the methods that are basically available in here. Now of course, if you choose like the simple way, which is a credit card or whatever, you simply have to put your details. The same goes for others, of course. You simply have to go for details, put them, and then basically click on pay, and you will receive your receipt inside of your account. So here I am, I have logged into my account. So normally here you'll find your account overview, and within this area, let me show you, you will find the details and everything that you own in your account. So once you verify, because now I still didn't verify my account, but normally here you will have your own cryptocurrencies that are going to be in your account. If you didn't find them here, simply click on assets and you will find here both your funding and unified trading account. Go to funding account and you will find every single cryptocurrency that you have within your account. So now let's check for Trump. Now, as we said at the beginning, we bought USDT. So let's start it step by step. The first method is converting the USDT that we bought into an actual Trump coin. So what we're gonna do, search for USDT. So here it is for me, and go all the way here. You'll find action and simply here choose convert. So you're gonna convert it, not transfer it, but convert it into something else. So let's choose convert, and here you will be taken to this page. So now you can here choose to whether you want to convert it into fiat, which is literal currencies, or basically crypto. We're gonna choose crypto because we want to trade it into Trump. So we're gonna search for Trump, and here it is, official Trump coin. Now simply put the amount of USDT that you have. So for example, I'm gonna put 100 USDT, and then if you have the sufficient amount, you will be shown here the amount of Trump coin that you're gonna receive. Now the fees of transaction are gonna be 0 normally, since here they have like P2P 0 fees. And also once you create a new account within Bybit, they give you $50 that you can with it pay for fees and etc. So you will not be paying any fees during this process. Now this is the process or the method number 1 that I have shown you. Now beside the one that I've shown you before, which is basically buying directly the Trump through here. So this is basically the method number 2, but I call it number 1 for a reason. Now let's go back in here. So let's say that you have USDT and for some random reason you didn't find the convert button, or it was laggy, glitchy, something like that. In that case, you will have to actually trade with the USDT. So let's go here and go for trading portal. In this area you can trade for spots. So here this will open this page which will show you graph and etc. Now I will just simply ignore everything here and search for the Trump token, and there it is. I'm gonna check this and confirm, and as you can see here, you will be able to trade for the Trump token within this area. It's very simple to do so. Simply just put the amount of USDT that you wanna with it buy. So you can either choose the amount of USDT that you want to spend on the token, or the vice versa, the amount of token that you want to buy. So for example, I want to buy 10 Trumps, or 10 Trumps. So this is the total value that you have to pay, 674.13 cents USDT to get 10 Trumps exactly. So once you have done that and you do have this amount of USDT, then it's very simple. Simply click on buy Trump token through here and you are good to go. So it's very simple. Nothing is very aggressive or hard to do. Pretty simple step that you have to follow. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. See you guys in the next tutorial.